save yourself the effort of cooking up your own chicken and just get rotisserie chicken, tear it up. I like that the barbecue sauce is of course giving it lots of flavor, but it's also giving it some moisture too as we reheat all this. Barbecue chicken. I mean, it's really, really easy, but we're just doing a couple things to make sure that it's well balanced and special. Yeah, I just need to use my hands.
That is a job for
That's not gonna work. Just a nice even layer. I like the red onion here, just for great color. It's not too sharp, too mild. It's kind of perfect. And it's just so freaking pretty. Sometimes we just do things because they're pretty, and that's okay. Cheesy, savory barbecue sauce, that bite of onion, just kind of like, makes you want to keep going back for more. Anything else? No. Let's bake it. There we go. It looks very good. Yes.